You can't have me as a Nigerian student and still be broke. Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha of channel. This channel I teach people how to make money online, doing online business, doing cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, doing various stuff online that can fetch you real money. So today's video I'll be focusing on how you can make money online easily as a Nigerian student. The situation of the country is getting very tough and a lot of people, they are finding it difficult to cope in school. As well as quarter strike, salaries are not increasing, the cost of living is getting expensive, Nigerian naira is losing value, and one thing about life is things will continue to increase in price, but students have to survive one way or the other. So I know how it feels like as a student when you're in school, you don't have enough money to take care of yourself. So I've decided to show you guys ways you can make money online. Now today's video is a very important one for every Nigerian student, because this method to make money online is something that you can easily do, because as a student you are definitely studying a particular course, there's a knowledge you have, there are some things you can do, you do a lot of assignments, you have a good knowledge of what you are learning in school. So what you'll be doing is you are basically going to be solving people's assignments and you're getting paid in dollars for it. You can earn as high as $50, $40, $30 per assignment, and in a day you can go on to do as much as 4 or 5 assignments, as much as you think you can do. That is one method. There's another method where the assignment you have done in school, you upload it to a particular website and they continue to pay you $10 for everybody that looks at your assignment. It's as simple as that. All the things I'm telling you here is true. There's a lot of money to be made in the internet. It's just that people don't know how to go about this. That is why I will advise you that this particular video, you take it very serious, because I go on to do research, I test a lot of stuff, I make videos, but people think all these things are not true. It's not possible to make money online without taking action, so they end up not benefiting from this knowledge. It's just a number to them. But if you are serious about this and you take action, trust me, this can literally change your life, right? And there are 2 things that you must take note of. Number 1, how you can solve people's assignment and make money, and number 2, how you need to upload all your past assignments and begin to monetize them and start making money from the knowledge you have, right? So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because it's highly important, so that you will not miss out on any important details in the video. 1, and number 2, don't forget to share this video to other people. I would love you guys to actually hit the subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on, because back to back I'll be dropping a lot of amazing content that can literally change your life. The payment method on this platform is Payoneer and PayPal. Please, I would strongly advise you to watch my video on how to set up a Payoneer account or how to set up a PayPal account, so that you will not have issues collecting your money, right? Without further ado, let's head over to my computer screen. Let me show you step by step how this thing works. Welcome to my computer screen. Now look at this. These are current student questions. Paragraph in Spanish, $5. Management case studies that are ready to pay you $15. Organic chemistry question, $7. Calculus question, $3. Religion question. If you are studying religion, somebody has a religion question, this person is ready to pay $20. APA and annotated bibliography example for research paper, $24. Child custody law question, $32. Engineering stress and strain explanation with graph, $40. This person is ready to pay you $10, and it continues like that. What am I trying to explain to you guys here? A lot of students in the world are looking for people to help them solve their assignment, and if you fall into that category of somebody that is studying a course and you have good knowledge of what you are doing in school, you are intelligent, you are smart, you can begin to make money from the knowledge you have. And the interesting thing is that for you to collect your money, it will not be difficult, because you can collect your money through Payoneer if you are in Nigeria. You can also collect your money via PayPal. The name of this platform is called studypool.com. Studypool.com is a platform that connects people that have assignments to do with the guys that are going to help them solve their assignment. And the interesting thing is, regardless of what you studied, regardless of what you know, you can actually make money on this platform. This is not a platform that is only for science students. Irrespective of the course you study, there's always a job for you. So if you are business oriented, you have knowledge of business, look at it, accounting, Excel, print media, everything that concerns business. If you are on this platform, there are gigs for you to do and you can make crazy amount of money, right? Now if you are also in the humanities area, African studies, architecture, arts, Asian culture, cooking and bakery, history, humanities, languages, different stuff, music theory, philosophy, political science, psychology, religion, all these courses, sociology, theater, arts. There are guys that also need your assistance here, including the guys that are mathematicians here. You can make crazy amount of money teaching people, helping them to solve their assignments, and boom, before you know what is going on, you are living comfortably. When I was in school, these were not the kind of jobs we were doing. We were doing work on Fiverr and stuff, but right now the world has really moved on, and I don't see any reason why any student in the university should be broke, right? If you are doing agric, botany, geology, zoology, all those stuff, there are jobs for you on this platform. It's same thing with you guys that are writing. If you say, oh, the course you're studying, I've not shown you whatever you're doing in your course, look at, if you know how to write, you can actually go on to make money. Script writing, resume writing, research writing, proofreading, marketing, mathematics. Basically, even the law guys too have gigs here that they can make money from, helping people to solve their assignments, helping them to explaining them stuff that concerns their academics, and they're ready to pay you. Your clients are in the United States, in Europe, and they are paying you in dollars, guys. This is crazy way to make money. Foreign languages, whatever you're studying, literally you can get jobs here. And the sweetest part of this platform is the fact that you can sell documents. Now these documents are like maybe research paper, assignments you have written on a particular topic, and after doing this project and this assignment, this research paper, you just need to upload it on this platform. Once you upload that your research paper on this platform, anybody that wants to use that material, that wants to reference that material, want to check what you have shown in your research paper, the person needs to pay you. So basically what you can upload here are quiz or exam prep, then your old assignments, your class notes, your multi-language content. When you upload this content, when people want to use this your content, they will pay you at least $10 every time a student views one. So for a student to view your content, they pay you $10. So if 100 students view your content, you have made $1,000 just like that. So you can make as much as $5,000 every month on this platform, because there are over 20 million people using studyproof.com. Look at the top earners here. Look at Alamich, $90,000 just by uploading his own content on this platform. We have other people on this platform that are also making crazy amount of money on this platform. Every time your document is viewed, you will continue to get $10 consistently for uploading your documents. So those assignments you are doing in school, they should not be a waste. Once you finish your assignment, the lecturer has checked it and stuff, you can upload it on this platform so that other people can benefit from the knowledge you have or from the stress of the assignment you have done in school. So I don't see any reason why a university student in school should be broke, right? One. Number two, another thing you need to take note of that is very important on this platform is when you want to sign up, you want to create your account, you need to first click on become a tutor. If you are coming here to answer questions and solve problems, you are not coming here to look for questions, then you need to click on become a tutor. That is the best way to start, right? Once you click on become a tutor, you are going to see the login page. There will be a very long terms and condition. You click on, read all through the terms and condition, click on it, and you sign up. You create your account, guys. And once you create your account, you can begin to start looking for the gigs you can answer. There are tons of jobs on this platform. Do this platform pay? 100% it pays, right? I wish I can go on and on to explain everything, but anything I'm going to do here to be more like repetition. But this is the platform where you can make money as a Nigerian student with ease. This is not the one that you are looking for somebody to come and buy a product. This is not affiliate marketing. This is literally solving people's problem based on what you have learned in school. This content is the kind of content that a lot of students are going to benefit from, because the way things are tough in the country. A lot of people, their parents cannot really support them at this point, or this is a means for them to get extra income. So all you guys need to do for me is to like this video, leave a comment, share this video so that the video can go viral and help people out there. If you have any question concerning studypool.com, please make sure you leave that in the comment section. I'm going to put a link of the official website in my description so that you guys can create your account on Studypool and begin to make money, guys. I love you guys. There are so many platforms you can make money as a Nigerian student. I'll be updating them from time to time. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.